it, Bernie, yet.
I'm on hold.
Well, tell him it's an emergency. Tell him I'm being stolen from.
Tell who? I'm on hold. Don't think this means that you let him get away.
Hurry up.
I'm wearing heels.
Well, so am I.
I can't believe they own a hotel.
Oh, God, Carl, you're such an idiot.
Stay close to me, baby. What was that? Don't answer it. Hey, that's my wah-wah pedal. No wonder my sound's been off.
Yeah, that's why.
This crap is amazing.
Yeah, 'cause it's our crap. They've been robbing us blind. Good girl. Drop it. Georgia.
Drop it? No. Georgia, Bruce. Let go of it. Drop it, please. Bruce. What happened? Don't ask. What happened with you?
Get out of here. Where's the exit?
Like I left breadcrumbs?
Quick, guys, go, go.
Put the lights back on.
I didn't do it.
Shh.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's get out of here.
You sure they said it was coming from here?
Don't know.
Let's check upstairs.
Did you hear cops?
I don't know. Oh, good. Well, if those were cops, we're gonna turn them in ourselves, because I smell reward.
I don't think that's reward you smell.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Where are we?
We're in deep doo-doo.
Okay, stop breathing like that.